No, it's not. Don't jinx that shit, cuz. No, matter of fact, move it, you hold this shit. You eat that shit with your left hand, you hold this shit right here.
You bugging.
Hey, bitch, yeah. First name Benjamin, last name Counter. Pull up with this motherfucking tech, fuck a bouncer. First name Benjamin, last name Counter. Bitch, when you see me, call me Mr. Benjamin Counter.
No getting in your bag. The video just for entertainment. Y'all good.
Alright, so go ahead and start the video, yeah?
TDM shit, dude.
So today we doing a mukbang or a mukbang, a whole lot of gang shit. Got 3D in the cut, got K-Bands in the cut, got Steve Turbo, Hothead, and Ron Turbo. And basically, for today's mukbang or mukbang or macbang or whatever you want to say that shit.
What are you looking at?
What we talking about today,
That gonna pick up?
Huh? Yeah, it's gonna pick up niggas' hairs right now.
What we talking about?
I'm talking about how bitches ain't shit.
How bitches ain't shit. Nah, are we talking about how we first met and shit?
I started off
That
with
could
shit.
be a separate video.
Huh?
That could be a separate video.
It's like an actual story time. So what the fuck we gonna talk about now?
I don't know what you're talking about.
Cause as we speak, it's still recording right now.
It's recording right now, and we gotta talk.
Move your fucking leg, bro. Hey, treat me like I'm some little bro.
So today we're gonna be talking about how we all met. Are you?
Alright, bro.
Alright, so who we starting off first?
Steve. No, you say you about to go first.
Y'all doing crazy. Y'all about to start the second video. This video. Talk about what we did today.
Oh, back.
No, you put this in the vlog. That's the end of the vlog.
Right, but we need that watch time, cuz.
They could watch us.
Alright, so basically, it all started in elementary school, basically, right? So.
I don't know y'all motherfuckers in elementary school.
Ron, shut up.
Well, when we met you, son. Middle school, the basketball team.
Nah, I actually met Ron this summer, but no funny shit.
I met him this summer. I met
I'm
you
with Steve shit, sports and shit. He was like, Ron coming. I went downstairs, I just saw some black niggas. He was like, cool as hell after that.
But the way I met Carrie, right? So it was in 5th grade.
Wait, first of all, I name my care. Come on, bro.
The way I met Bands. So it was in music class, right? Music class. And it was you and Joseph that was always together and shit like that.
My nigga Joseph and shit, yeah.
So then after that, there was a table.
Wait, it was me, Joseph, and you, Carrie.
Oh, yeah, it was like,
Yeah, we had class with him in 5th grade.
yeah,
right?
like, that's how I know him since 4th grade.
Fourth grade.
That's how I know him.
But I knew my boy Angel since like what?
Madison, bro.
Madison.
Shit closed. Milton, fucking Christopher, Diamond, bro.
Oh yeah.
Diamond.
Diamond?
No.
Remember the smart?
Yeah, the one with the fucked up
Oh,
ball.
Diamond.
Yeah, Diamond.
The white girl shit.
Yeah. So basically,
You talking about Diamond, the one that look like an alien on my money?
yeah, exactly. So basically, right, I was chilling with Carrie and them, and then we went to a table, and basically, like, I made a racist joke, and that was pointed towards my man's name Joseph, right? So I was like, good. What did I say, racist, or did I say it wrong or something like that?
Yeah, I think you said it wrong.
Yeah, so then after that, we just, the three of us, we just became cool and shit like that. So then we was doing dumb shit in class, like, we was doing Impractical Jokers and shit like that, right? In library, bro. Remember when the library was big as hell and we was running through that shit?
Bro.
Oh my God, bro. Gym class, all that shit. So then after that, that's when me and Carrie, we went to middle school, but Joseph, he went to a different middle school, and that's pretty much it. That's how I met Carrie. And the way I met Steve,
I met Henry last motherfucking freshman year.
no, like we knew of each other, like me and Steve.
Did I?
Nah, we knew of each other, like we knew that each other existed and shit, but like we didn't really talk. But when we started talking is when we had a class in Miss
But
Nixon.
y'all was talking in
My mother was in there.
Huh?
Wasn't y'all in basketball practice?
Yeah, but still, like that's when he was.
Basketball?
Yeah, for Myrtle. Yeah,
You did?
yeah,
Oh yeah, with you.
yeah. But we didn't really talk like that. So then after that, me and Steve, we went to the same high school. Ruben, hold that shit, cuz. Hold that shit.
Yo, you need to snap this shit, bro. And dip off, bro. Yeah.
Nah, but basically, that's how I met Steve through high school and shit. And Edgar, I knew this nigga since fucking Madison and shit like that. That's cool, go. Alright, go ahead.
For me?
Yeah.
Me? Steve, I came out the womb with this nigga. To be honest, Edgar met him in 4th grade, University Elementary. You know what I'm saying? I think it was in the Carol class, and that's 5th grade. Remember Tony, bro? Nah, me and Edgar, we was close to shit. It was me, Edgar, Joseph, Ahmad, Alex. I don't even remember Alex. And I think that was it. And Steve too, but like Steve was, Steve was fat back then. So, you know what I'm saying? Steve was trying to cut. I ain't trying to play, nigga.
Nah, I ain't trying to play,
I ain't
dude.
trying to play, but yeah. It was cool and shit, you know what I'm saying? Then we started being more cool, the gang got bigger and shit. And yeah, we moved on to Myrtle, graduated together and shit. Like we went to high school.
Wow. Everything?
Op ass nigga going North Tech and shit, but I knew him since 5th grade and shit. Who won Myrtle? Blah, etc. This nigga, knew him ever since. We almost 10 years strong. He's my best friend and shit, you know what I'm saying? Don't get funny as a little. This black nigga on the side of me, bro. On the side of you, Ron. I met you during the summer 18 and shit. I'm trying to record a music.
Hold that shit, nigga.
You paranoid?
I'm paranoid the fuck out, bro.
Nah, don't really think that shit.
You know, somebody actually running down there.
I'm going to no funny. What? If someone do take that shit, you don't sign that though. That had a point. I met Ron.
Because Steve already want to pretend to break my shit. Now I can't afford someone to steal my shit.
Bro, if we got this shit on the same day, that would have been bad luck on my mother.
I think he would be mad at you. No funny shit.
Bro, he's like, if you're dumbass, whenever I did that, you would have not jinxed my ass.
Nah. I met Ron during the summer and shit. I was coming to Steve's to record some shit. He was like, Ron here. I don't know who the fuck was Ron. I don't know who the fuck he was and shit. But he knew me and shit. I went downstairs. We couldn't even see this nigga. We was in the basement. I couldn't even see him. And man, we dapped it up, talking and shit.
I feel like that just the audio will come out low.
Yo, Edgar. Edgar. Yo, Edgar. Edgar, I swear to God, bro.
He ate your shit?
Edgar, where's my fries, bro? Where's my fries, Edgar? Give him my motherfucking fries.
His shit posted up in the tent.
You trying to cookies too?
Damn.
Bro, I'm not even hungry no more. I feel like drinking around. So I'm even in this.
That's all you You about dip?
So you about to leave the premises. My bad. Oh shit. What am I doing that?
That nigga killed me for real. Rob, you about dip too? Alright.
Stop playing, bro. Nah, but let's wrap this video up though. I think we pretty much done, right?
I guess.
No, Steve didn't say shit.
How much minutes are in there?
6 minutes or something.
Hell yeah.
What's that waist up?
Short as hell. No, nigga.
That's like onions and shit.
Yeah, alright.
You gelling. You gelling. You are gelling.
Yes.
Oh.
Then why you still standing over there?
I ain't believe it, fuck.
Yeah, let's wrap this video up. So But if you enjoyed this mukbang or mukbang or MUKBANG or whatever you want to call that shit. Yeah, I know. I forgot to say happy birthday to her.
Who?
But Dara. But
Dara. Oh, PYT. Dara. Foundation Dara.
so yeah, if you enjoyed this video, go subscribe to 3D Guwap. Alright, bro. Go subscribe to 3D Guwap. Go subscribe to my personal YouTube channel. Go follow Carrie on Instagram. Go watch Steve Baton. He just got a prank that just came out. It's coming soon. And that's pretty much it. Carrie, how you pronounce it? How you go? Sunlight with a little bit of drip to the point where I can fuck your bitch, nigga.
Yeah, fucking ass wild, little nigga.
J-A-N-I-A. Bitches burnt. We're talking my teeth smell like dirt. Long ass leg with a shirt ass skirt. Now I want one if you need an alert. 114 for a Xana perk. Ayy, it's Demon Turbo. Fucking your bitch while I'm hot head. Legs to the side, arms on the way, sharp bounce while I'm ticking on my bed. I'm getting the bitches condom. Might fuck whoever he or she said. Yeah, sure, she fuck with a team. SD got a Glock in the green.